In this video, we will look at typing tests, including how to create tests, add students, and view tests, instructors, and results. To create a test, click on the Typing Tests tab and click Add Test. Add the name, an optional description, a start and end date, and text. Add your own custom text or select one of our text templates. Add alternative texts by clicking Add Alternative Text Options. You can also select a different image for your test by clicking Choose Image. After adding the test information, you can adjust different test settings, such as who can take the test, how many times they may take it, the time limit, and the passing requirements. Under Options, you can disable the backspace or issue a certificate for students who successfully finish the test. Once done, click Create Test. You can then add students, view the test, or add another test. To add students, click Add Students, select Assign Students from a class or Assign Individual Students. Select the students or classes, then click Assign Students. Click View Test to see the test overview, which shows whether the test is active, when it was created or modified, the text, and the settings. Click Students to view the students assigned to the test and whether they've completed it. You can also assign or unassign students and export the student list. Click Instructors to see the assigned instructors. Under the Results tab, you can see how many students passed or failed the test, the top performer, collective average performance, and students' best overall performance. Export these attempts or click the link under View Attempt to see more details. You can also print typing test certificates here if the certificate was enabled under Test Settings. Click Edit Test to edit any of the test information or settings. Click the three dots to the right of Edit Test to delete or pause the test. Thank you for learning more about typing tests.